Today we're discussing aviation weather services without hesitation, repetition, or deviation starting now. The International Civil Aviation Organization and the World Meteorological Organization play pivotal roles in providing and regulating aviation weather services. ICAO, established through the Chicago Convention in 1947, is responsible for setting the standards and practices related to weather information for aviation. The ICAO Annex 3 outlines the international standards and recommended practices for meteorological services supporting safe and efficient aviation. The guidelines in Annex 3 ensure that all contracting states follow consistent protocols for disseminating weather information, fostering international cooperation. The WMO, founded earlier in 1950 to succeed the International Meteorological Organization, serves as the global authority on the science and application of meteorology. It focuses on standardizing and sharing weather observations worldwide. The close cooperation between ICAO and WMO, formalized in 1953, ensures that aviation receives consistent, high-quality weather data. ICAO defines the aviation sector's needs, while WMO delivers the necessary meteorological information. This partnership is critical given that accurate and reliable weather data are essential for flight safety, affecting decision-making during both flight planning and real-time operations. Together, ICAO and WMO also collaborate with organizations like the International Air Transport Association IATA to ensure the needs of airlines are met. National meteorological services play a crucial role in providing localized weather data to meet international aviation standards. Each ICAO contracting state has an NMS that must adhere to both ICAO's Annex 3 and WMO's requirements. Some countries assign this responsibility to their civil aviation authority, while others operate a separate meteorological body. For instance, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration (NOAA) serves the United States, while Météo France is responsible for weather services in France. These national services ensure that aviation professionals receive timely and accurate weather information for safe flight operations. In regions lacking the necessary infrastructure to generate and use climate forecasts, the WMO provides assistance to strengthen their meteorological capabilities through initiatives like the Global Framework for Climate Services. The Annex 3 requirements set by ICAO include several critical elements for the provision of weather services. States responsible for a World Area Forecast Center must issue global forecasts of routine and significant weather phenomena such as volcanic ash and radioactive materials. States must also establish aerodrome meteorological offices at international airports to provide METAR reports and meteorological watch offices (MWO) to monitor weather conditions in flight information regions. MWOs are essential for issuing SIGMETs and airmets, which inform pilots about en route weather hazards. Additionally, some states operate volcanic ash advisory centers and tropical cyclone advisory centers. These specialized centers track volcanic ash clouds and tropical cyclones respectively, issuing advisories to other meteorological offices to ensure the safety of flights potentially affected by these hazards. At airports, aeronautical meteorological stations perform routine weather observations and generate reports such as METARs and ATIS, which provide service wind speeds, visibility, temperature, and pressure. Furthermore, aircraft observations are mandated by ICAO Annex 3, requiring aircraft to report unusual weather conditions encountered during flight, such as severe turbulence or icing. These reports, also submitted by in-flight aircraft as PIRAPs, are crucial for informing other aircraft and improving real-time weather awareness. Forecasts provided under Annex 3 include terminal area forecasts for airport regions and area forecasts for low-level flights, which detail expected weather phenomena like wind, visibility, and cloud conditions. Lastly, Annex 3 requires aviation-specific warnings such as SIGMET and AirMet to notify pilots about en route weather risks. Aerodrome warnings cover potential hazards at the airport, and wind shear warnings inform pilots about hazardous wind conditions during takeoff and landing. These services ensure that both operators and flight crews have the necessary meteorological information for safe flight planning and operations. In conclusion, the collaboration between ICAO and WMO ensures that aviation professionals have access to consistent, accurate, and timely weather information that is critical for safe flight operations. Through standardized requirements such as those outlined in ICAO Annex 3, national meteorological services and specialized advisory centers around the world work together to provide essential weather data. From global forecasting systems to localized airport reports, these services help mitigate the risks associated with hazardous weather, ensuring the safety and efficiency of international air travel.
If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more aviation content.